Namaste everyone. I want to share something with all of you today. We have crossed 10,000 plus parents in our community, and I thank every one of you for following us. I want to make two new announcements today. We want to do a huge giveaway of 40% off on all our Shloka books, Shloka book 1 and Shloka book 2. If you are someone who want to gift this to your child, if you're someone who want to gift this as a return gift on birthday parties or naming ceremonies or upanayanam, this is the opportunity for you to grab the books at 40% off, and of course shipping charges will be applicable. And this offer is only for 3 days, that is on 23rd, 24th and 25th of June. And this is not only for Shloka book 1 and 2 English version, but this is also for Shloka book 1 which is in Kannada version as well. So go ahead and place your orders by messaging Shloka book. For the story you can reply, and we will get back to you on how you can place the orders. And the second announcement that I want to make is that I want to teach the shlokas which are there in these shloka books, and I also want to teach some note to swaras, or like very small songs which you can teach to your kids, which I'll be sharing it on our stories. I am unable to decide whether to start with shlokas or with the note to swaras, with the small songs that you can teach to your kids. Do let me know by answering this poll so that I can make a decision with respect to your choice. Okay, we'll be starting from Wednesday, and so that I will get enough time to prepare myself, and then we will go ahead. So when I teach these shlokas and when I teach these notu swaras, I want you all to practice this and share it again on your stories, so that many more parents can be benefited. And thank you so much for all your support. This is really something where, very organically you all have come to our page, and I am very grateful to God for associating you all with me. Thank you so much. Namaskara.